Hello everyone, welcome back to Yes English and I hope all of you are doing very well. This video is about how to improve our communication skill. So I've come up with a very unique technique which can be practiced in order to step up our communication skill. So if you're watching my video for the first time, let me request you to subscribe my channel and enable the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming sessions. So in this session, I'm going to discuss with you one of the very useful techniques which can be practiced in order to step up your communication skill. So this technique is called as an apple technique. As you see here, apple technique, and I will take you through each and every steps in detail so that you don't get confused about how to get practiced with this technique. So please don't go away. Please stay tuned to the end of this video. So the first letter. So an apple has been used here as an acronym of analyze, process. Okay, A stands for analyze, P stands for process, and then present, listen, and evaluate. So believe me, if you practice this technique consistently on a regular basis, you will see amazing results. You're going to change the way you speak. This technique can also be used in order to improve your writing skill as well. So let me take you through each and every step in detail, slowly and carefully. So the first one is analysis. So everyone knows how do we analyze a topic. So before you come up or before you start with this technique, I recommend you to choose a topic of your interest, of your choice. It can be your favorite food, your favorite place, your favorite author, your favorite book, or your favorite sport, or it can be the place that you have visited, a novel or a story you have read, or any common things which you are very familiar with. So choosing a topic should be depending on your interest. So once you have chosen the topic, then we have to start. Okay, start with these steps. We will analyze that topic through these steps so that you will get an idea about how you will be able to communicate. So once you are decided on the topic that you're going to speak or write on, you are going to have these steps practiced so that you will be able to communicate well. Okay, the first step is analysis. So how do we analyze a topic? Analyzing a topic is just examining a topic in detail in order to explain or interpret it. Okay, if you want to explain a topic, if you want to explain a subject, or if you want to interpret a concept, the first step is to analyze it, means to examine. Examine means to read carefully and come up with the key points of this topic. So that is how you analyze a topic. So please remember, analysis is making a topic, analysis is all about examining a topic in detail, looking into the topic in detail in order to explain this concept or in order to elaborate or interpret the topic. So you can talk about how do you define the topic, what is the pros and cons of the topic, how do you come up with an introduction to the topic, what should be your conclusion. These are all talking about the process of analysis. Okay, analysis can also talk about definition, define the topic, you collect the data, collect the information, and also you will be able to identify the key points, key words, and then come up with a short summary of the entire concept that you're going to either speak or write on. So once you're ready with the analysis, okay, the next step is to process. So the analysis which you have made, the information that you have collected, the data that has been collected, needs to be processed. So the processing is the step towards organizing it in a proper way. Okay, so when you process, you have to organize your opinion. Or so this processing is the method in which you organize. Okay, put your information in an order where there should be a proper beginning, that is an introductory part, and then a middle where there is a development of your concept, and an end, that's a conclusion. Okay, so the processing has been done. So please remember, step number 1 is an analysis, where you are examining a topic in detail in order to explain or interpret a concept, any concept which you are going to speak or write on. And processing is a way of organizing, putting your data or putting the information that you collected in an orderly manner. And the step number 3, P, stands for to present. This is where you express your feelings. Okay, this is where you express your thoughts, you express your opinions. So in presentation, what matters is, as you present, okay, already you're ready with the 2 steps, and then presentation is not going to be a big question for you, I know, but as you present, I would recommend you to record your voice. If you're speaking, you can either voice record your presentation or video record your entire presentation. So this step, presentation, is the process of manifesting your thoughts, your feelings, and your opinions on about a particular topic that you have chosen. Okay, and as I told you, as you do the presentation, if you are speaking, okay, if you are expressing your thoughts through speaking, I would like to request you all to have a recording of your session, either voice recording or video recording, so that this will help you to go to the next step, that is listen. Okay, so imagine you are speaking, you are expressing your concepts, okay, your feelings or your thoughts and opinion through your speech. In this case, you will have a very good opportunity to listen to your voice. So listen to your voice recording. Listen very carefully, so that you will be able to take you, it will take you to the next step, that is evaluation. Okay, this is the final step where you will be able to correct all your mistakes. So evaluation is for, the primary purpose of an evaluation is to make some corrections, recommend changes, or even to provide feedback. See, if you speak to someone or if you write to someone, I don't believe anyone will give you a genuine feedback. They will always tell you, it's very good, outstanding, wonderful, excellent, you did it. These are some of the general feedback that we frequently receive from our friends, our colleagues, our relatives, and so on. So here we are going to evaluate our work. We are going to have a self-evaluation in which you will be able to come up with what went wrong, what went well. You will be also assessing, did I present my work well, or did I have my eye contact in a very proper way? Did I have my intonation, my expression? Okay, all these things can be assessed in the final step, that is the process of evaluation. So as I told you at the beginning of the session, this is the technique, okay? This is the technique Apple, okay? I'm sorry. Yeah. This is the technique APPLE, an Apple technique. So just to refresh, let's see, Apple, A stands for analyze, P stands for process, and the next P stands for present, and the next is for listening and evaluation. So this is the end of the session today. Let me request you all once again to subscribe, give your feedbacks, and enable the bell icon so that you will receive notifications on my upcoming session. So we'll meet again on another session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.